Cancer has been on the rise in recent years and is one of the most common causes of death in the United States. Wouldn't it be nice to have a way to reduce the risk that you'll get cancer? Well, according to modern science and research, there is. The key to reducing your cancer risks is to eat healthy foods and watch your diet. One of the most common cancer-fighting foods is walnuts. If you enjoy walnuts, you're doing a lot to boost your health and fight off cancer. Modern research has shown that walnuts in particular have some amazing health benefits. One of the more notable is the ability of the walnut to slow down or even stop the growth of cancer. This quality makes them unique in terms of superfoods. Amazing benefits of walnuts. Walnuts are an amazing and healthy option when it comes to your nutritional needs, but they also pack a powerful punch in treating cancer. So what makes walnuts so special? First, they are composed of a few unique nutrients referred to as phytonutrients. These are special components that are not found in other foods. These incredible nutrients have the ability to inhibit the growth and development of cancer cells. In fact, phytonutrients are one of the most amazing micronutrients on the planet today with a wealth of other health benefits. Eating walnuts is one of the easiest ways to take advantage of these health benefits and promote your own well-being. If staying healthy and protecting yourself against cancer is important to you, you should incorporate walnuts into your daily routine. This is a food that has been scientifically proven and tested to show reduced cancer growth and prevention. In fact, several current studies published in the medical and scientific community have named walnuts as an important component in a cancer-fighting diet. You don't have to eat walnuts whole either. You can opt to ingest the oil from the nuts themselves or integrate walnut oil into other recipes. Scientifically proven to inhibit the growth of cancer. Walnuts have been scientifically proven to slow the growth of cancer, including common cancers such as prostate or breast cancer. Current studies suggest that a daily intake of just 1 cup of walnuts will reduce the risk of cancer by less than 50%. These results are amazing if you think about it. It's amazing something as simple as eating a common nut could reduce your cancer risk. If you are concerned about cancer or have a family history of cancer, you should consider adding walnuts to your diet. Eating walnuts or simply using the oil found in the nut itself can also help other areas of your health. For example, walnuts can impact your cholesterol levels and reduce the risks of diabetes. They are important components when battling heart problems and heart disease too. Walnuts are a multifunction food when it comes to your health. Walnuts are one of the easiest ways to take control of your health and improve your overall well-being. For one, walnuts are readily available and affordable alternatives when compared to other health foods or treatments. You should be aware that there are 2 types of walnuts commonly available. The first is the black walnut, which is a native nut to the United States. However, the walnut most commonly sold in the grocery store is what is known as the English walnut. This is one of the most popular nuts in the world, in fact, and that is because it packs a lot of health benefits into a single nut. You should be aware that walnuts can impact your diet in the form of calories. The key to eating walnuts and maintaining health benefits is to eat them in moderation. If you eat too many, you can run the risk of ingesting excess calories and possibly even gaining weight. Moderation is important to get the most out of eating walnuts and reduce your cancer risks. Walnuts can be a great alternative to other snacks or even as an alternative to junk food. They can satisfy the craving for a snack while delivering a wealth of health benefits, so consider swapping the chips out for these nuts.